Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a very yummy dish which is Bhapa Ilish. It's called steamed fish. It's very tasty and it is very simple to make. So let's see how to make it. So we have taken some fish here. I have cleaned them up nicely. So we'll marinate the fish first. We'll add some salt, some turmeric powder, I'll add a little bit of lemon juice and some oil. I'm using mustard oil. Then we will marinate the fish properly and keep it aside just for an hour or so. Then we will move on to make the masala paste for this. So here I have taken some mustard seeds. I have taken some yellow mustard and the black mustard and some cumin seeds. So make sure you take 1 part of yellow mustard, 1 part of black mustard and half of the cumin seeds. And I'm also adding some coconut, a little bit of ginger, 2 or 3 cloves of garlic and some green chili. To this I will add a tablespoon of yogurt, a little bit of palm sugar, or you can use jaggery in this, just a little bit to cut down the sharpness of the mustard seeds, because mustard seeds are quite punchy. And I will add a little bit of salt to this. I'll add a little bit of water into this and we'll make a fine paste. Now our fish has been marinating for an hour. So we'll take a bowl. Make sure something to fit into your steamer, and it is good if it is a steel or a ceramic bowl. So we will transfer all our fish to this bowl. We'll add all the paste. I'm taking 4 pieces, so I have used around 3 to 4 tablespoons of the masala paste. We'll just make sure the fish is properly marinated in this. Then we will add a little bit of water. Add some green chili and some whole garlic cloves. We're taking a pot of water, little bit of water with a stand. Transfer your bowl to the pot and add a good drizzle of the mustard oil. Now we will cover it. This goes for steaming for at least 10 to 15 minutes until the fish is cooked. You can check it with a knife. We don't want to overcook the fish. We just want to steam it until it's just set. Let it rest a while. you go. It's very simple to make and it's super yummy, and it's ready in no time at all. Garnish with some green coriander and some more green chilies based on your taste. There we have it. This is my version of Bhapa Ilish. Please make it and let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.